My name is Angelos Angelides. I am the head chef and only chef at Pasero in Tottenham. And this is my deep fried burrata with aubergine relish and leek oil. The first element is simply breading the burrata. The burrata first goes into flour, followed by beaten egg, followed by panko breadcrumbs. At that point, it's ready to go into the fryer. So I would fry it at about 170, 180 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. So the third element is a leek oil, in which I use leek trim, so the top green parts of the leeks. You chop those up quite finely, soak them in water to clean them, and then blanch them in salted boiling water for about a minute. Cool those down in ice water, and when they're cool, you squeeze them dry and blitz them in a Vitamix for about 10 minutes with a neutral oil until it becomes green and vibrant. At that point, you would strain the oil, letting it drain naturally on its own without squeezing through any impurities. And you should be left with a beautiful green, vibrant oil. So to plate the dish, I use a wide bowl so that you can see all the elements. The aubergine relish goes in the base, about 2 tablespoons, which should be quite reddish, yellowish. Around that, I would surround it with a little bit of the leek oil, and then on top, deep fried burrata, and just finish with some rock salt and some pepper, and that is the dish. So here is the deep fried burrata with aubergine relish and leek oil.